Alright guys, today we here in San Diego, and right now we're going to check out the USS Midway Museum. So let's go. Let's go check it out. Alright, so right now we in the middle level. This level right here, pretty much everything designed here, it's just for kids. So in here they also have food section over here. Salad, sandwiches. This is a gift shop right here. That's what you here to learn. It's from 1924 to 1938. Yep. Right now we're going to the upper level. So we up here. Alright, when you walk in, you can also grab a little tour device like this guy has, and you can tap it and then you can listen to it and it'll tell you behind the story.
Got a letter in the mail. Got a letter in the mail. Say go to war, go to jail. Go to war, go to jail. Got a letter in the mail.
Come inside. Wow, look at all this stuff. My god. But so many cables. Oh my god. Helicopter's the only one that you can go inside and check it out, but the jets and all that, they blocked it so you can't see it.
Let's go check out the captain's quarters.
Alright, watch your step. So no room.
Little room in here.
Captain got everything.
Yeah. Here's his little office where he does all his work.
Cool.
He has a little TV up there too.
Wow.
His meeting room.
Yeah, so right now we are looking at the captain's office.
He has his own cook.
He got his own personal chef.
Got all their operations in here.
Deliberation of stories has begun.
This is the messaging center. So they sent all their messages. All these old machines.
Yeah, that's how they used back in the day. This must be the...
This is top secret.
Yeah.
Type. What's that called? Telegraph?
Yep. Mr. Repairman.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
Hi.
How are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. I'm great, you guys.
Yep, you too.
We're gonna go to the radio control room.
Let's go check it out. Wow, look at all this. How can you know which one go to which one? So we're gonna go see the CPO mess. Let's go.
Hydraulic valves.
No more food for you. It's all gone. So this is the kitchen. Sink. Turkey. Oh yeah. Hey, look at this guy. Making waffle.
Pancakes.
Pancake, not waffle. So they got the menu right here. Wait, let me draw this out.
Beef stew.
I just know how to eat. I don't know how to.
Certain stuff. Look at that, half chicken.
Half chicken? No, whole chicken? Half chicken? Oh, so this is the uniforms area.
Let's go to the
Oh, can I have this one?
Yeah. Looks nice.
Looks nice. Still look clean. Wow.
Got shoes, they got chocolate. Dummies.
What do you point finger for?
Dummies.
Huh?
You say go over there.
You go get the hell out of here? Okay.
Okay, next room.
So this is the weapons elevator. Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh yeah, good.
Last. Oh yeah.
Post office.
Alright, so we're gonna go see the post office.
Who work for this? This is the cleaning area where they wash all their pots.
Right here.
They're having a meeting in here. Paying money for the weapons. Sick bay. We're gonna go check out the sick bay.
It's getting warmer and warmer down here. What's this?
You lay down when you get hurt.
So
Get
this
sick.
so this room is for when you get sick or get hurt. If you get hurt, this is where you're gonna go.
This is where you'll end up at.
Yeah, if you get hurt, this is where you're gonna
Operate
go.
you. Look,
Oh my god.
someone's dying here. Poor thing. No, they're gonna save him.
This guy gonna save me, is it?
Yep, he's gonna save him.
This guy right here.
Yep. Dr. Brown's is gonna save him.
Look at all that scissors.
Operating tools.
Operating tools. Wow.
Yes, scary.
It's crazy.
Oh, lots of medicine.
A lot of medicines. Look at this.
He's waiting to get his hand fixed. Imaging. X-ray.
Huh? X-ray.
X-ray table.
This is X-ray table.
With all the chair screws.
Yeah, that's
Just like the dental office. Up the stairs.
upstairs we go. Oh, look at this. This is the workshop.
We'll check out the engine room.
Alright, so this is the main.
It's huge.
I know, right?
They're getting instructions for all have the
Each one of these things, how we don't really want to operate it. Always operate.
Trouble.
Control. So this is the control.
But what? So this, yeah. Oh, see, I have feeling. This guy got busted.
We all fail. I can guarantee you that
Here's the
can turn a
captain.
few hairs gray.
This is the officer of the deck. Boilers are back online and flat out to go.
That's it.
That's it.
So that's it.
Of the captain's quarters.
And that's it for the tour in this Midway ship. Right? So we're going back and eat some more. Alright guys, we're done here. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. See you guys later.